Sawadika, I'm Sandra, and today I'm very happy and lucky to have fabulous assistant chefs น้องมือหวานใช่ไหมคะ Yes, and น้อง Jeffrey. So today we'll be making a banana pudding, or in Thai we call it khanom kroi. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel a banana. I'm just going to help the kids right here. Peel the banana like this. Okay? Okay. Put the banana in here. Okay, now start mashing. Mash, mash, mash. ใช่นวดนวด I'm going to put a quarter of a cup of coconut cream over here. I'm going to add three spoons of sugar. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. A little bit of salt. Let them mash it all up. Then we're going to add a little bit of tapioca flour, 3 teaspoons. We'll do the same thing here with rice flour, 3 spoons of rice flour. There. All right, keep mixing, mix, mix. Last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of dry, desiccated coconut. We'll do 1, 2, and 3. Yes, very good, 3. I think it's more or less ready. Let me have a look. Yes. Can I see Jeffrey? Okay, very good. Now you can wash your hands, kids. Let's go and wash our hands. Everybody's hands clean. Can I see? Yes, very good. Okay, now what do we have to do next? Over here we have a banana leaf. I'll just take a knife and go through the circle. So we have a semicircle. And we're going to make a little cup. So we take 2 fingers, we go right into the banana leaf, and we make a cup. Just go in circle, circle, circle. And then we take a little toothpick and we go right through the banana leaf over here, you see, with our toothpick. All right? Kids, you can try if you like. Now, sometimes, no matter where you are, you can't find banana leaves. So what can we do? What can we use instead? We can use a ramekin. Very easy, and just steam it right away, and we still have a delicious banana pudding. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put our little mixture in each cup. Just fill it 3/4. ดูพี่ทำยังไงอ่ะใช่ Okay, kids, now you do it. Yes, very nice. 3. All right. Oh, you're doing very well, kids. I'm really impressed. Very good for first timers. Okay, so now we've finished filling our cups. Time to steam our banana pudding. So it's very simple. We just fill it in here and put it right away. Keep it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, ready to be eaten. It's great to cook with kids. I think it's important to get them involved in cooking. I think they're more aware. It makes them more aware about nutrition and food. And also, when they cook, they are more enthusiastic to taste and to eat along with us. All right, kids, let's see. I think it's pretty ready. Wow. Yes. You can let it cool off and then unwrap it later on, but I'll just do it now because I think the kids are getting impatient. They really want to have a piece of their banana pudding. There we are. We have our khanom kroi, or banana pudding. A simple, fun, easy dish to do with kids.